How to lock apps in iPhone with Face ID. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, as this feature only works in iOS devices above iOS 18. Now, go ahead and tap hold on the app that you want to lock with Face ID, and in the menu that appears, tap on the Require Face ID option. You will then see the option for Require Face ID and Hide and Require Face ID. So, if you want to just enable Face ID on the app, then tap on the Require Face ID and enter your Face ID in order to lock the app with Face ID. And if you want to hide and require the Face ID on the app, then tap on the Hide and Require Face ID option. And with this, the app will no longer be visible on your app docs. So if you want to access the app that you just hide, go to your app library and scroll down to the bottom and you will see the Hidden Apps option. Tap on that and further enter your Face ID, and with this you will be able to view the app. So this is how you can lock apps in iPhone with Face ID. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.